The new 4 cubic foot poly yard cart from Gorilla Carts is the perfect alternative to an old-fashioned, hard-to-balance wheelbarrow. This handy cart is great for all your jobs around the home, barn, or garden, whether you're planting flowers or mucking stalls. The 30-inch by 24-inch poly bed is strong enough to hold up to 300 pounds, yet lightweight for easy movement and maneuverability. The low center of gravity offers great stability and is easier to load with less lifting, and the steel handle allows the cart to be safely and easily pushed or pulled. Plus, it quickly folds up and out of the way for compact storage and transportation. The 10-inch pneumatic tires help you roll smoothly over any terrain. Get the job done with ease and comfort with this new Gorilla Carts Poly Yard Cart. Another innovative new item from Gorilla Carts designed to make all your projects easier and more enjoyable.
Specifically designed to save time and money, Speedjaw branded tools by JS Products utilize patented features that allow fast adjustability. These precision-made clamping tools and low-profile bench vices are world-renowned for their strength and durability. Unique to this vise is the Speedjaw button, a patented technology to allow rapid adjustability of the jaws to open or close. Simply depress the button to rapidly clamp onto your work object. Also unique to the Speedjaw vise is a ductile ratcheting handle to allow the unit to function fully while mounted in the center of any workspace. The ratcheting action allows fine grip adjustment on the strong serrated steel jaws, and with a flip of the selector switch, the jaws can change from tighten to loosen. The unit includes a 360-degree posi clock disc to provide accurate positioning. Not only do these discs allow the unit to swivel, but precision machine numerals allow precise rotation and positioning for the operator. Moving the Speedjaw vise is a snap. Unfasten the latch from around the base to separate and relocate your vise virtually anywhere. Offered in 4 sizes, these discs match your specific vise. One comes with every unit. Also available are accessories designed specifically for your Speedjaw vise. Non-marring pads safeguard delicate work. Ductile iron metal fabrication pads increase gripping surface, while curve pads are specifically designed out of glass-filled nylon to secure your pipe and tubing projects. Simply place these jaw pads flush against the top of your vise and enjoy increased gripping capabilities. Speedjaw low-profile vices were designed and engineered in the USA and are packed with revolutionary patented features.
Hilti's new XIE-GS insulation fasteners to cold-form steel studs help increase speed while simplifying operation. They provide higher productivity with more consistent quality and increased safety on the job site. The XIE-GS is the only direct fastening solution for installing insulation boards and mineral wool directly to steel studs with sheathing. Hilti's XIE-GS fasteners deliver up to 3 times faster application speeds than traditional methods and are designed to ASTM 330 wind loading for ultimate peace of mind. The hybrid helical knurling provides better stick rate to metal studs with the speed of a gas-actuated fastener. The addition of XIE-GS to Hilti's portfolio allows you to use the GXIE tool for concrete and metal studs. The XIE-GS's higher fastening quality and increased simplicity helps allow for proper installation with the pull of a trigger, resulting in little to no need for rework. This is thanks to the pre-assembled washer and nail, which reduces complexity and increases productivity. We're here to help you. Visit our website or contact us for more information.
Hi there, this is Mark from Ericsson's, and today we're talking about the retractable ratchet strap. Let me show you how easy it is to secure this 4x4. First, hook onto your anchor point, simply pull out your webbing, attach to your hitch, take back the slack, and ratchet tight. The retractable ratchet straps are available in the 6-foot and a 10-foot length, camouflage webbing, and also available in these convenient 4-pack storage bags. For more information on safe working load limits, please visit our website. So whether you tie it, tow it, or load it, Ericsson's got it.
When you're a technician working in hard-to-reach spaces, they're usually hard-to-see spaces too. Well, Mac Tools has beaten that problem with a stick. The Mac Tools Pro Stick Ultra Slim Light will have you wondering where it's been all your life. When our advanced chip-on-board LED hits you with 250 lumens on low and an incredible 500 lumens on high, you'll forget what darkness even looked like. Couple that with up to 5 hours of runtime, you can be assured the Pro Stick will hang in there with you till the end. We even added a battery status indicator so you know how much time you have left before a recharge is needed. Speaking of hanging, the Pro Stick's unique flexible hanging hook and backing magnets make sure you can put it just about anywhere for hands-free operation. And the non-marring composite body gives you the versatility to attach it to painted surfaces without worrying about damaging the finish. And an IP54 dust and water resistance rating to make sure it can withstand a tough shop environment. The Mac Tools Pro Stick Ultra Slim Light.
The Flexzilla Deep Freeze Challenge. Flexzilla is a revolutionary hose that redefines flexibility. To prove it, we left 5 air hoses in a snowbank overnight. Rubber, ester-based polyurethane, PVC, ether-based polyurethane, and industry-leading Flexzilla. Flexzilla is made from premium hybrid polymer material. Flexzilla stays flexible in all kinds of weather, including temperatures down to 40 below zero Fahrenheit. So flexible that oil companies in Alaska rely on Flexzilla to maintain their operations. Here's how Flexzilla compares to the competition. If it's not Zilla Green, it's not Flexzilla.
Welcome to the ElectraFlow Dual Ultra, a 2-component battery dispenser, part of the Cox product family of dispensers. A handheld battery-powered bead dispenser for 2-component side-by-side cartridges, featuring the latest 18-volt lithium-ion battery and charger technology from Bosch. The dispenser produces up to 5 kilonewtons of thrust. The ElectraFlow Dual Ultra drive platform with 2 driven racks ensures that even high viscosity materials maintain their mixing ratio. The ElectraFlow Dual Ultra 2-component battery dispenser features an adjustable speed dial and a variable speed trigger, giving the user the control they need for a high-quality finish. Overload shutoff protection and an automatic rack retraction mechanism to prevent drips. The integrated trigger lock prevents accidental operation. ElectraFlow Dual Ultra has a choice of frame designs, which accommodate a wide range of 2-component side-by-side cartridges. The multi-ratio model has interchangeable cartridge clips and plungers that enable quick and easy configuration. The dispenser features a hook for prolonged use with a shoulder strap. The built-in tool rests prevent movement on slippery surfaces. The dispenser utilizes the latest Bosch single-cell battery monitoring technology. The fuel cell indicates how much charge is in the battery, while the CoolPack system prevents the battery from overheating, prolonging the battery life. To load the battery, slide it into place until you hear a click. To unload the battery, press and hold the red button and pull. Ensure appropriate personal protection equipment is worn at all times. To fully retract the rack, press the upper trigger to release, then pull back. Insert the cartridge into the dispenser until you hear it click. Press the upper trigger and push the rack forward. This engages the plungers into the cartridge. Rotate the retaining ring counterclockwise. Remove the ring and nose plug and set aside. Balance the pistons by pressing the lower trigger until 2 continuous beads are dispensed. Attach a static mixer nozzle. Reattach the retaining ring to the mixer. Fully rotate the retaining ring until locked. Set the speed dial to 9 and purge the material. The dispenser is now ready to use. Set the speed dial to 1 to start dispensing. Gently press the lower trigger. This allows you control to increase your speed to suit the viscosity and application. The variable speed dial allows you to regulate the speed and flow of your material. Fully